Hello SIMAGICians, and today we'll be unboxing the brand new P500 pedal. We'll be assembling it and as well as talking you some of its key features. I'm Alvin and I'll be taking you through the entire video today. The P500 is our latest pedal model and it is catered towards sim racers who are looking for a budget set of pedals but still remains functionality and versatility. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing right now. So for a standard pedal set, you have a couple of things inside the box. Firstly is the base panel, and you want to take it out first. And then immediately, you'll be greeted with some stickers and a quick guide for the P500. And we don't need it for now, so we want to take it away first. As well as a phone box with all the pedals, as well as some accessories inside for the P500 assembly. So as standard, the P500 is a dual pedal set, which means that you have one brake pedal module, one throttle pedal module, an accessory pack, as well as the wall mount brackets, and of course a quick guide for the P500. But if you want to assemble a 3-pedal set for the P500, you can also purchase the C P500 clutch module separately for a full 3-pedal assembly. So now let's put everything together and see what it looks like. So here is an assembled version of the P500 bass pedal, but the P500 can also be compatible with a couple of different upgrade modules, and one of them being the included standard part for every P500 is the wall mounting brackets, which you will find in the packaging that I've mentioned earlier. Aside from that, there's also the clutch module for the P500, which is the C P500s, as you can see here, turning the P500 from a dual pedal set into a 3-pedal set. Aside from that, the P500 also has compatibility with both of our haptic pedal reactor module, the PHPR linear motor, as well as the PHPR Neo, the rumble haptic pedal reactor. So now I want to talk you through some of the key features of the P500. The first being its adjustability. Like its bigger brother P1000, the P500 gives you multiple options to adjust the pedals to your liking. For example, you can adjust the pedal face displacement, the pedal incline angle, as well as the overall stiffness for all 3 of the pedal module. We especially included a washer for the brakes to further enhance your braking feel. The second highlight of the P500 is its dual sensor on its brake pedal. This is borrowed directly from the P1000, and it allows the players to choose between a whole angle sensor or a low cell depending on their driving preferences and their needs, allowing the pedal to adapt to different scenarios. Another highlight on the P500 is its versatility. With the P500 also being a modular design, it can adapt to different driving scenarios easily. Whether you are mounting this pedal directly onto a profile rig or placing it on the ground and using it against the wall with our included wall mount, it can be used securely without any issues. Aside from that, both HPRs are available for the P500s to further enhance your driving experience. So with all that being said, it's time to see this bad boy in action. I'll be out for now, but as usual, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to follow us on various social media platforms if you haven't already. And until next time, keep racing, SIMAGICians.